In this video we're focusing on how to clean a mirror effectively. Whether it's a bathroom mirror clouded with steam and specks, or a decorative piece in your living room, keeping your mirrors spotless can enhance the light and beauty of your space. Let's go through some effective methods to get your mirrors sparkling clean. A dirty mirror can make a space feel smaller and darker, and it can detract from the overall cleanliness of a room. Regular cleaning not only improves the appearance but also extends the life of the mirror by removing corrosive substances like fingerprints, makeup, and water spots. For this task, you'll need a high-quality glass cleaner, or you can make a DIY cleaner by mixing 1 part vinegar with 4 parts water. You'll also need a microfiber cloth or newspaper for wiping, and a cotton pad for detailing. Avoid using paper towels as they can leave lint and streaks, which detracts from the mirror's finish. Begin by gently wiping the mirror with a dry microfiber cloth to remove any dust or surface dirt. This prevents dust from turning into muddy streaks when mixed with a liquid cleaner, ensuring a cleaner finish. Spray your chosen glass cleaner onto the microfiber cloth or directly onto the mirror in moderation. Avoid spraying too much cleaner, as excessive moisture can seep behind the mirror and damage the backing over time. Start at the top left corner of the mirror and wipe in a Z-shaped pattern, progressing to the bottom right corner. This technique helps cover the entire surface without missing spots and minimizes streaking, ensuring an even clean across the entire mirror. For a thorough clean, dampen a cotton pad with your cleaning solution and use it to meticulously clean the corners and edges of the mirror. These areas often accumulate grime and buildup that can be missed with a larger cloth, so careful attention here makes a big difference. After cleaning, use a fresh, dry microfiber cloth to buff the mirror. This final step removes any remaining streaks and gives your mirror a sparkling, polished finish. To keep your mirrors clean longer, try to maintain them regularly by quickly wiping down after heavy use, especially in bathrooms where mirrors commonly fog up and collect splatters. This routine care helps avoid the buildup of grime and keeps your mirrors looking great with minimal effort. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to clean your mirrors and keep them looking their best. Regular cleaning will ensure that your mirrors remain a beautiful part of your home decor. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.